How to withdraw money from Sweat Wallet in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to find a compatible crypto wallet like Coinbase wallet or exchange like KuCoin that supports the near protocol which Sweatcoin uses, and within Sweatcoin wallet or Sweat wallet, locate your wallet address, a string of numbers or letters. In Sweatcoin, initiate a transfer to the external wallet address, ensuring you have entered the address correctly. And after that, you have to confirm the transfer and wait for the transaction to be processed. And once the Sweat is in your external wallet, you can sell it for another cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum or stable coins like USDT. Some exchanges may require you to move the Sweat into a trading wallet before selling. You might need to meet a minimum withdrawal amount like 100 Sweat or like that. After that, after selling your Sweat, you can withdraw the equivalent value to your chosen currency like USD to your linked bank account, and ensure you added your bank details in the exchange correctly and confirm the withdrawal request and wait for the refunds to be transferred. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.